Have you ever walked into a space and felt an immediate sense of calm? That's the magic of Japandi, a seamless blend of Scandinavian functionality and Japanese minimalism. Today, we'll explore how to create a Japandi home, from the tranquil exteriors to the cozy interiors. Welcome to Green Home Living. This Japandi-style house features a compact front yard designed to make a lasting first impression. A small garden of cherry blossoms and elegant floral beds offer a serene greeting, blending the simplicity of Japanese design with Scandinavian elegance. A bamboo fence frames this Japandi-inspired front yard, where gravel paths meander through soft floral accents. The design offers a harmonious blend of nature and structure, welcoming visitors with a sense of calm and serenity. A natural wood fence encloses this Japandi-style backyard, where soft floral accents and a minimalist fire pit area create a cozy yet elegant outdoor space. It's the perfect setting for intimate evenings under the stars. In this Japandi-style kitchen, natural wood elements blend with sleek white surfaces and floral-inspired ceramics. The harmonious and functional space is designed to make cooking a pleasure. This Japandi house boasts a spacious backyard, where a wooden deck extends into the garden. Floral borders frame the minimalist outdoor dining area, making it an ideal setting for serene gatherings surrounded by the beauty of nature. Imagine stepping into a Japandi-style living room bathed in natural light, where minimalist wooden furniture harmonizes with soft floral patterns on the cushions and curtains. In the courtyard of this Japandi house, a central fountain is surrounded by floral arrangements and natural wood elements. The peaceful retreat created here is a sanctuary where one can escape the demands of daily life. A Japandi dining area features a simple wooden table, surrounded by floral patterned chairs and minimalist decor. The serene and elegant space enhances the dining experience, where every meal feels special in such a tranquil setting. Create a cozy reading nook with Japandi inspiration, where a low wooden chair is complemented by a soft floral throw blanket. Minimalist shelving filled with books and small potted plants completes the space. In this open-concept kitchen, Japandi aesthetics come to life as clean lines meet soft, floral-inspired ceramics and natural wooden surfaces. The result is a harmonious blend of functionality and beauty, where every element is thoughtfully placed to enhance the cooking experience. A Japandi living room showcases a neutral color palette, wooden furniture, and subtle floral patterns in the cushions and decor. The peaceful and harmonious space invites you to relax and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. In this Japandi-style bedroom, tatami mats provide a natural base for a low wooden bed, while floral artwork on the walls adds a touch of elegance. The serene and balanced sleeping environment promotes relaxation and a deep connection to the surrounding space. In a Japandi-inspired bathroom, clean lines, wooden accents, and floral tiles come together to create a peaceful, spa-like environment. The design emphasizes tranquility and natural beauty, offering a perfect retreat from the everyday. Gather around a simple wooden table in a Japandi-inspired dining room, where chairs with floral cushions add a touch of softness. Set against a backdrop of minimalist decor and soft pastel hues, this space exudes elegant simplicity, making every meal a serene experience. As you start your Japandi journey, remember that the key is in the balance, finding the perfect mix of form and function, warmth and simplicity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more design tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to creating spaces that nourish the soul.